Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to this week's Scholastic News. It's called Escape from Pompeii. This one looks really exciting. Pompeii is a city that had a volcano in it, and over 2,000 years ago, that volcano exploded or erupted and covered the city. And there are still scientists today that are finding clues underneath all of the ash that happened after the eruption. And so they're learning more and more about Pompeii. So I think that you'll really enjoy reading this week's Scholastic News. Okay, during this week's Zoom meeting, we are going to check the answers to last week's Scholastic News. That was the Alien Scholastic News. And we'll also check the answers to the Illuminate Assessment from last week. So bring your Alien Scholastic News with you to this week's Zoom meeting. Here's your assignment for the Scholastic News for this week. I want you to read all of the articles in the issue Escape from Pompeii. I want you to pay attention to the text features, the captions, headings, maps, the italic print. Remember, that's print that is sideways. Bold print, highlights, things like that. They help you understand all of the information from the articles, so make sure you explore those as well. Also, look for any clues that help you determine the text structure. We talked about text structure last week. That's the way that an author organizes text to help the reader understand what they're trying to communicate to us. Some examples of types of text structure are cause and effect, comparing and contrasting, that's showing how two things could be the same or different, and another structure is sequence, showing that things are happening in order. Then I want you to answer the questions on the last page, and finally go to Illuminate and complete the assessment for this week. So I want to talk to you today about the Illuminate Assessment. It's going to be an opinion writing. The reason I have a picture of Oreo cookies here is to remind you that we use Oreo to help us organize our writing for opinion writing. I want to see how much you remember, so I put the Oreo on the screen there so that you can kind of refresh your memory. You're going to read the article in the Scholastic News. It's called Prizes for Perfect Attendance. It's on page 7. The article gives both sides of an argument. Should schools give out prizes for perfect attendance? And I want you to read the kids that give their opinion for both sides. One of them supports giving prizes and one of them is against giving prizes. So after you read both sides, I want you to pick a side because you are going to use the Oreo format to write your opinion in Illuminate this week. So let's do a refresher on what Oreo writing is. Remember, the first O stands for opinion. The R stands for reason. Give a reason for your opinion. The E is evidence or an example for your reason. And then the last O is restating your opinion. So I'm going to give you an example essay on how I wrote for the topic, do cats or dogs make better pets? So let's look and see how I used OREO in writing this. The first sentence, in my opinion, I think a dog is a better pet than a cat. Okay, I stated my opinion in the first sentence. One reason is dogs are more friendly. So for the R, I gave a reason. For example, if you call them, they will come and let you pet them. Cats don't come when they are called and only let you pet them when they want to be petted. So I gave evidence or examples for why I think dogs are more friendly than cats. So I explained why I thought dogs are friendly, and then I explained why cats are not friendly. And then the last sentence, this is just one reason why I think dogs make better pets than cats. So I restated my opinion in the last sentence. Now, when you write your opinion essay in Illuminate, I will let you choose how many reasons and examples or pieces of evidence you would like to give to support your opinion. All right, boys and girls, that's all I have for you today. Quick and short. And I put some funny things on here. If you look in the one that has the cat, it says, when you work from home and somebody wants to video chat. That's kind of how I feel lately. Miss Jaramillo and I do a lot of video chatting, and sometimes she calls me when I feel that that's how I look. And then since today is May 4th, it's Star Wars Day, I put Yoda there. All this distance learning is shrinking student brains. I sure hope that's not the truth, but I thought it was cute anyway, because I really like Yoda. Then you see the two kids staring at the computer. I love online learning, said no kid ever. I kind of thought that was funny. And then here's one for your parents. The distance learning parent, week 1. Okay, that parent looks pretty good. If you look at the picture underneath it, it says distant learning parent, week 4. Now we've been in this distant learning thing more than 4 weeks. So I'm sure that your parents can kind of relate to that meme. All right, boys and girls, that is all I have for you today. So keep up the great work. Have a terrific week, and I will see you on our Zoom meetings this week. All right, have a great week. Bye-bye.